I own a MacBook Pro 2013, 13-inch, and recently my charger broke, so I went on to Apple to look for a charger. This is it. It's a 60 watt MagSafe 2 power adapter, and thankfully it only cost $79. In case you're wondering, that was me being sarcastic. This $79 is very expensive. So, my MacBook is already, 9 years old. I'm willing to chance it with a generic charger. Went to the wrong one. I can find a charger as cheap as under $17.99 because I can apply 5% coupon. This will be the right wattage, 60 watts. So I can either spend $79 or go cheap and spend $17.99. If it breaks, I can just buy another one. If it breaks, I can buy another one. And if it breaks, I think I can buy another one. And it'd still be cheaper than this. I can buy 4 of them, and it'll still be cheaper than this one. And it supposedly got a lot of good reviews. But what I'd like to try instead is using a higher wattage AC adapter. So I'm actually, I'm really cheap, but today I'm gonna probably order the one for $1.50 more. It's only costs $1.50 more to get the 85 watt charger. And again, it's still cheaper than what Apple's trying to sell me. So I'm gonna try to order this. It should be safe. I've read on the Apple website that as long as the wattage of the adapter is larger than what it's supposed to be, it should be fine. The logic makes sense because it's able to supply equal to the power or more of what your laptop needs. So I'm going to give that a try. That's it. I'll include a link in the description of where I found how you can, or there's some Apple forums about this subject, so I'll put it in there in case you want to read.